Okay, so yo guys, so welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we'll talk about HYLIION. So HYLIION is down 18% yesterday after news came out that the company plans to redeem its public warrants. So first of all, we're going to get into what a warrant is and what it means, and also what this means for the HYLIION stock and the company. But yeah, before we get into the video, please give this video a thumbs up and also check out our content. And if you like the content, then please subscribe down below. Help us get to 1,000 subs by the end of the year. But yeah, just to start off, let's just talk about what a warrant is. So essentially, when a company issues a warrant, they're giving holders the right to purchase a share of the company stock at a specific price at a specified date. So this is what HYLIION did back in 2019 at the start of last year, so February 2019, and at the time HYLIION was still a private company. Then you've also got Turtle's acquisition, which went through a merger with HYLIION. So Turtle's acquisition, when it went public, it offered 22.5 million units at a price of $10. So each of those units included one share and half a warrant to purchase the stock at $11.50. Then when the merger closed between HYLIION and Turtle's acquisition, approximately 12.5 million warrants were outstanding. So holders had to wait 30 days after the merger closed to use it, and had a 5-year window to purchase the stock at $11.50 per share. So this is where the news comes, because there was a few conditions in the fine print that meant that this 5-year window could end early. And today HYLIION announced that the holders of the public warrants now has till 30th of December, so this year, 30th of December 2020, to exercise those warrants. So this could bring in up to 144 million in net proceeds to HYLIION, and those holders who choose not to exercise this warrant means that HYLIION can redeem those warrants for 1 cent each. So essentially, investors see that the company is redeeming its public warrant and they're starting to panic, because often this means that maybe the company is desperate for money, and this for investors is a major red flag. So a company who doesn't have their financials in order is a major red flag. So this move from HYLIION claiming back its public warrants kind of shows that maybe they're desperate for money, which I don't think is the case. So you can look at it another way, whereby HYLIION has been very volatile over the years, and even now it's still up over 100% year to year. So this company could just be very confident that they'll keep climbing up. So this could actually be a smart move trying to reclaim their shares. So this move to reclaim their public warrants could be a smart move long term for this stock. So I don't think they need the money. I don't think they're desperate for the money, but they did say that the redemption of the public warrants was to use the money to help contribute towards the ramp up in production for the zero emission solution Class 8 commercial transportation vehicle, which is currently in production. So this is just money to help further the company and keep ramping up production. So I don't think they're desperate for money. So long term, I still believe in this company. I feel like this news is nothing major. Yes, people panic and start selling out, but I still feel like this company is going to do well long term. And obviously now they've went public, they kind of have to keep up with that demand. So the people expecting products soon, and to make more products you need more money. So reclaiming the public warrants, I don't think is too big of a deal. I don't think it says too much, but obviously as investors, people read into it a lot. So people see it as desperate and major red flag, but I don't think it means their financials is not in order. It just means they need more product to scale up their production, because the further they can scale up the production, the more revenue they can bring in, the more products they can get out to the market, so they can start making profit. But yeah, so I'm still gonna keep holding this company. I'm actually gonna take this opportunity now. We're sitting at $20 to buy more shares, because back when it was $18 leading up to the election, I don't have as much cash on the side, so I couldn't really average down. But now I can buy more shares and average down, because I'm still sitting at that $30 cost base. So I'd like to get down to the $20 cost base. So yeah, so I'm gonna take this opportunity, this dip, to just buy more shares and average down. But yeah, like I said, I don't think the news is too big of an issue in terms of the company. I still believe in the company long term. I just feel like they need money to ramp up production, which is not necessarily a bad thing depending on how you look at it. But yeah, let me know down below in the comment section what you make of the news. And yeah, if you're new to the channel, or if you're a current member and you like the content, then please subscribe to the channel, and also give this video a thumbs up. And we've got more HYLIION videos coming out, more Tesla videos, more Lordstown, more Tattoo Chef. So yeah, we've got basically about a lot of stocks. So yeah, follow the million mile journey, and we'll catch you in the next video. Thank you.